to the Planet Protector Academy Zero Heroes Virtual Assembly. I am Sarah.
Zoom!
Ian, what are you doing?
You told me that we were going to Zoom with these Planet Protector kids. Zoom!
We need to introduce Esmeralda Planet Protector.
Esmeralda's coming here now? Oh my goodness, I got to do my hair. Is my uniform straight?
Esmeralda Planet Protector.
Esmeralda Super Spy. And Goober.
Welcome to the Planet Protector Alliance, a worldwide force of good, full of kind kids and grown-ups who want to make the world a better place, to protect the planet from environmental destruction and have fun while doing it. Goober, we gotta go. We have some important matters to attend to.
Code for we got to save the planet again. Coming, Esmeralda!
Hey kids, is your day boring? Is your day blah? I've got the solution for you! The Awesome Box! What's inside? I don't know, but more awesome! Haha, could it get any better? Awesome!
Ian, we're trying to show these Planet Protectors not to make more garbage, and look at how much garbage you made with your awesome box. We need to reduce the amount of stuff that we buy that we don't need.
I only buy what I need and I use what I have longer.
We can reduce, we can recycle all the stuff. Oh, we know we can reuse, but it's not enough.
All right, Planet Protectors, it's time for your real-life Planet Protector mission.
Repair yourself. Practice the superhero calming breath. Do this every day.
Repair our relations. We want you to do that with kindness.
And Zero Heroes are people who are trying to make zero garbage.
Do something small every day to make less waste.
Planet Protector.